What's up, Cheds? The drywall is here. This is the half. This is the 5/8 of the drywall. So yeah, we are prepared, all right? Yeah, get a good look at all this pink stuff that's in the wall, the insulation in the ceiling and the walls. It'll be covered up all this weekend. I'm definitely looking forward to it, man. I'm excited, so stay tuned, guys. I'm going back up the basement, man. They down here jamming, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. They getting the work done, though. That's what matters. It's kind of like me in a way. Like, I really can't get a lot of stuff done unless I have some music. They in here jamming. You know, I thought I heard people earlier. I was like, "Oh, where's my son now?" But no, no, man. It's so dope to see, man. All right, y'all. I don't hear no more. So they may be done with the drywall. So let's see. They're even patching up the. Oh. Okay. Okay. Yeah, they patched it up. Patching it up. Oh. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Sheesh. Yo. This is crazy. And we got more drywall. And the blue side here. This is pretty freaking dope. I'm not even gonna hold you, bro. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. Yo, we are almost there. We are almost there, guys. Words can't express how excited I am, man. I'm so excited. All right. Yeah. Drywall is looking really good. I can't wait for the paint, baby. Woo-hoo. You're gonna hear the reverb back. All of this is gonna be filled with like a lot of soundproofing stuff on the outside of it as well. Yeah, it's the bathroom. They did finish up this side up here because this up here was showing like this here, but they finished that up. All the framing and tile is gonna be set up here. Toilet, vanity. Let's see, the shower's already set up, but now everything else is gonna be set up in here too. But back to the drywall. Everything's done. And in here is done as well. I said I have it set to where this area will be like the main area for like music and stuff like that. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty dope in here. Yeah, everything looks very good. So far, so good. Once they are done with the bathroom in here, as far as putting the toilet in, the tile and the framing, painting is next. And then when the painting is done, they are going to do the flooring. So yes, we'll see the surfaces. We are going to get the flooring done within the next 2 weeks. And I cannot wait. We're still in progress of getting this done. If it's not done by September 22nd, it's fine. I'll be disappointed, but I'll be fine because, like I said, I'd rather get this stuff done the right way than the wrong way. This is all going to be pretty good for me. Once they get the flooring done, I'll bring everything down here to get things started. My goal for the green screen room is to bring the desk that I have in the family room and put it in there because I don't need a lot of things in there as far as that. I'm happy, I'm blessed, I'm thankful of everything. And I just can't wait for this journey to begin as far as getting this basement done. And I hope that you are too. So thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it. I don't know where I was looking while I was. Well, I'm looking at you now. Thank y'all for watching, man. I appreciate y'all. The drywall is complete. Now it's time for the painting, framing in the bathroom, flooring, getting the power in here, getting the lights up. Just having this whole place look really good, man. I want to continue getting this done the right way. I don't want it rushed and something happens. Let's do it right. Until then, guys, thank you for watching. GG's. I'll see you in the next video.